30th floor. Guess they upgraded us. Look at this view though. I'm a little scared. Dang. That's nice. Smells like fresh paint. Got the nice chair. Bed looks really nice and comfortable. New Orleans art. Got the TV. Little tiny mini fridge over here. I think I heard him say the microwave was on this floor. Bathroom. Nice and updated looking. Guess that broke. Guess that fell off. Don't need that anyway. What up though? Let's see what's in here. Alright, got a safe. No robe. That's fine. Brought our own. Got the iron. Alrighty then. This is cool. I can chill here for a couple days.
Yeah, it's nice and clean, huh?
This view though, what? The pool's all the way down there. You see the pool?
No.
That's crazy, bro. This is really, really high.
Oh, damn.
This view is gangster.
Right, let me take a picture of the pool.
Casinos over there. That's a Mississippi River. That's cool. Canal Street, really nice. All right then. All right, but anyway, so when we first get here about 2 hours ago, it was about 2 o'clock. Pull up, get out, try to check into the room. It wasn't ready yet, so we went for a walk. But before we went for the walk, had to use the restroom, came upstairs to the second floor where the restrooms were. And I hear this lady saying something to me, and I didn't know if she was talking to me or not, so I turn around, and she's asking me if she can help me, and I'm like, I'm just going to the bathroom. And she was like, I work for the hotel. I'm like, okay, cool. And she's like, well, you can't film in here. You need special permission. And I said, I'm making a vlog of myself, and can you show me to the bathroom, please? And she showed me to the bathroom and still was like following me, making sure that that's where I was actually going. So the check-in process was fine, except for that. That was kind of strange, but I guess she was doing her job, you know, trying to keep strangers from just wandering around the hotel, but a little turn off, but it's all good. Walked around Bourbon Street and the French Quarter for a little bit, listened to some music, came back. A nice gentleman checked us in, upgraded us to this room on the 30th floor. I think we were supposed to be on the 19th, but they guess they didn't have anything left. Put us on the 30th floor with this view, and I'm not complaining. Then the gentleman that brought our bags up was incredibly nice, had a really cool New Orleans accent, and was just really, really helpful. So yeah, so far so good. The hotel's nice. Smells like paint. Very strong paint smell, but I guess it could be worse, right? All right. So the other room was literally giving me a headache with the smell. They were remodeling bathtubs downstairs, so that's what caused it. This room is on the other side of the hotel, on the 37th floor, which is still cool. I miss seeing the river, but it's all good. The room is the exact same, just a little bit higher up. You can see Bourbon Street, like either here or there, one of these. But the room's the exact same, just on the other side of the hotel. Bathroom, cool. Cool. Oh, this one does have a robe. All right. People downstairs were very nice. Very, very nice people at the front desk. Super helpful. Yeah, very happy with that. So, good job, guys. Thank you. So the nighttime always has people pulling up, checking in. I mean, midnight last night we saw people coming in. Very safe place though.
I didn't even know that was
This is what it looks like on Friday night, no, Saturday night at approximately 10 p.m. One thing, well, two things about this bathroom I gotta mention. This shower head. It's probably not like this in all the rooms, but it's like spraying everywhere. I know it's not the biggest deal in the world, but they could change that. And then the best thing is this toilet, the way that it flushes. I know it's weird, but like I'm all about like a good flush on the toilet. Check this out. No floaters in there.